Hi, it's me, Clem. And me, Jane. And Jason is very ill today. He's got a bad cold. Yeah, so we're gonna go in and cheer him up. Come on, Jane.
Yeah. Who is it?
It's us, Clement and Jane.
Okay. Come on then. The door's open. Oh, I'm so glad you guys came. I've got such a bad cold I can't speak properly and it's driving me bad.
Driving you bad? What do you mean?
No, driving...
Oh, that's better. I can speak properly now. Ew, gross. I'm sorry about that. Anyway, Jace, we're here to cheer you up. Is there anything we can do for you? Anything we can get you? Yeah, there is something you can do. Hold on to something. Brace yourselves. I'm gonna sneeze. Achoo! Whoa, I'm being blown away. Yeah, I'm being blown away too. Jason, cut it out. Whoa! Hello viewers and welcome back. This time I've landed on Mars, but I don't know where Clem is. I'm coming, Jane, look out below. Oh, there you are, Clem. Where are we, Jane? I don't know. I think we're on some alien planet. I think we're on Mars. Hey, Jane, listen. What's that noise? Oh no, it's all Jason's family. I mean, loads of aliens.
You earthlings, what are you doing on our planet?
We weren't doing anything. We were just leaving.
We're trying to keep our existence secret. You leave me no choice now. I have to arrest you and keep you here as prisoners.
No way. Come on, Clem, let's get out of here. Okay, Jane. I think we lost them. Yeah, but we best get off this planet. But Jane, how can we? We're stranded here. We're lost. It's hopeless. Oh, Clement, shut up. I can get us out of here. All I have to do is a great big fart and we'll get out of here. Huh? Just trust me, it's gonna work. Hold on to me, Clem, and I'll fart and get us out of here. Okay, whatever you say, Jane. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thunderbums, I'll go! Meanwhile, back at Jason's house... Oh, I've done it now. I've lost them. They're gone. Forever. Oh, Jason, stop worrying. They'll come back. How do you know, Bettina? For all you know, they could be stranded on some alien planet with no way to get back. You don't know how powerful my sneezes are. Hey, Jason, look. What's this thing in the sky? Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's Clement and Jane. Yeah. Oh, nice of you guys to drop in.
Oh, it really stinks. Hey, Buzzy, you coming out? I need to know your sign. Okay, here you go.